it will not be a nice world for lots of people if we don't actually stand up today and decide that we need to change and we need to fix things now.
It's something that we're all a part of and all impacting. So I think it's really important that we do something and that we make as big of an impact as we can.
I always search for an internship that could help me get to my goals as a career that are in sustainability. And when I found that Absolute had this green technology and sustainability areas, I was really interested.
A very strong focus on sustainability and on doing, everyone doing something small to make a bigger impact, right?
Environmentalism requires international effort, and our organization is almost like a mini international effort. We have people from all over who are trying to make a difference and working to make a difference. And that means we have different life experiences and we have different cultural experiences. And that means we have insight in what's the best way to reach people from this region of the world or even just this region of Europe.
There is a place for just about every skill set, and they need all hands on deck. You know what I mean? It's a very important field, and you feel like you're doing important work while you're in it.
I learned a lot of things, not only sustainability, but other areas that I didn't know.
It's such a fulfilling opportunity, and you're going to learn so much, not just career-wise, but even in your own personal interests of environmentalism. It's a fantastic experience, and you really do get to participate in organizations and fields that will benefit humankind as a whole.